Hey there, future website owners. Welcome to this step-by-step guide on how to purchase the perfect domain for your brand new Morphio website. I'm Alexandra, and I'm excited to walk you through this process. If you've just purchased one of our customizable website templates at Morphio, you're probably eager to get your site up and running. Well, you're in the right place. Today, we're going to cover everything you need to know about buying your domain. Don't worry if this is your first time. We'll take it nice and slow, and by the end of this video, you'll have your very own piece of internet real estate. We'll be using a domain registrar called Porkbun for this tutorial. Why Porkbun, you ask? Well, I've had great experiences with them personally. They offer competitive pricing, a user-friendly interface, and excellent customer support. But remember, the choice is ultimately yours. Before we dive in, make sure you have a few things ready. 1. Your desired domain name. Have a couple of options in mind, just in case. 2. Your payment information, to make the purchase process smooth and quick. All right, are you ready to secure your spot on the web? Let's get started. Now that we're all set up, let's walk through the process of purchasing your domain on Porkbun. I'll guide you through each step, so feel free to pause the video if you need to catch up. First, open your web browser and go to porkbun.com. You'll see their homepage with a search bar front and center. In the search bar, type in the domain name you want. This could be your business name, a catchy phrase, or anything that represents your brand. Let's say we're searching for myawesomemorphiosite.com. Before we move on to selecting your domain, let's talk about how domain pricing works. It's important to understand this to make the best decision for your budget and needs. 1. Initial registration. The price you see listed is typically for the first year of registration. This can vary based on the domain extension .com, .site, .inc, etc., and any promotions Porkbun might be running. 2. Renewal rates. Pay attention to the renewal rate, which is the annual cost after the first year. Sometimes, the initial registration is discounted, but the renewal rate might be higher. 3. Premium domains. Some highly desirable domain names might be listed as premium and cost significantly more. These are usually short, catchy, or highly marketable names. By understanding these pricing elements, you can make a choice that fits both your branding needs and your budget. Now, let's move on to selecting your domain. If your first choice is available, great. If not, don't worry. Porkbun will show you other options, like different domain extensions, .net, .org, and so on, or slight variations of your name. Choose the domain that best fits your needs and budget. Click on the Add to Cart button next to your chosen domain. Next, we click on the Checkout button to continue with our purchase. In the checkout page, you can review your domain selection and see the total cost. Porkbun often includes free bonuses, like Hois Privacy, so take a moment to review these. In addition to that, decide how long you want to register your domain for. Options typically range from 1 to 10 years. Remember, you can always renew later, but registering for longer periods can sometimes save you money in the long run. Once we have reviewed the order, we click the Continue button, which will take us to an authentication page. If you haven't already, you'll need to create a Porkbun account. Fill in the required information. This usually includes your email address, a password, your full address, your phone number, and so on. Once you've filled everything out, click Create Account. After being logged in or have created a new account successfully, we are prompted with a payment method selection section. Here we can decide how we pay for our domain. You can choose between credit card, PayPal, Alipay, and crypto. For this demonstration, we will choose the credit card option. Before continuing to the final step, we need to agree to the information presented in this paragraph. Please take your time to review it. Finally, we click Continue with Credit Card, which takes us to a Stripe payment page. The last step would be to enter our card details and pay for the domain. After the payment is successfully processed, we are redirected to the Pork Bun homepage where we can see our domain. Congratulations! You are now the proud owner of your first domain. This brings us to the end of this video. Stay tuned for the next video where we learn how to connect our website to our Morphio domain. Do not forget to like and subscribe for more educational videos like this. Until next time, I am Alexandra from Morphio, and I wish you have an amazing day.